Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a pixelated retro game style image that looks just it came out of a classic 16-bit video game. And the best part, we'll be using Google Gemini with brand new Nano Banana tool. Okay, let's get started. First, just open up Gemini on your browser or app, and then if you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the Play Store. And once you're in like this, make sure you are logged in with your Google account, and then next just tap on create image, or you can also just go to tools icon, this one, just tap on it and then create images like this. This is Google latest feature that lets you instantly edit or transform photo using just a prompt. And then now upload the photo that you want to pixelate. It could be your selfie or even your pet. And then just tap on plus button and then create gallery, and then just choose your photo. For example like this. And then here's where the magic happens. In the prompt box, you will want to describe the effect that you want. I will type my prompt like this. For example like this. And then once you're happy with your prompt, just hit generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this. Your photo is now transformed into a retro game style masterpiece. Just look how cool it's that. It literally looks like you could play it on a Super Nintendo. And then, okay, that's it. Super quick and super fun. With Nano Banana, you can turn any picture into a retro 16-bit work at just try it out. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.